So this is how we can insert a signature or signature image in a Word document on the iPhone. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get it started. So there are more ways and more apps you can use for this purpose. A lot of people use the official Microsoft Word app, which is completely fine. You can get inside in a document like this, and you can be inside of this edit mode. And the point is that you have a few options in here. Like you always have the ability to kind of like tap on the place where you want to be, click on the plus and scroll to the right, tap the three dots and click on a draw right here. And you can click on start inking and you can see that I can zoom into the place where I want. You can pick the color and the thickness of the pen, but you can essentially just write your signature at the bottom, and that's likely the thing which you have in mind, right? Because you always have the ability to kind of like save it like that, and now your document contains the image, right? The signature, which you can kind of like resize and move around and place wherever you want. So if that is the thing which you are looking for, that's how you can easily sign documents using the Word app. Right, so that's how you can do this. But also, if you have the image signature saved in your gallery, you can always tap on the plus button, click on the photos, and import it from this place. So a lot of people just have it stored in their photos. For example, you might have an image like this, where in your gallery, you perform the changes using the markup tool as such. Make your signature there. I'm going to save all that. And now I can import it into the Word app as such, right? So right now inside of the Word document, I have not only the signature, but also with the picture with my logo, right? So it gives me a nice way to have the signature image in my Word document. So I hope that this was the thing which you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.